Hi, today we are going to study examples related to Gauss-Jordan elimination method having infinitely many solutions, and the examples related to no solutions and infinitely many solutions for the values of lambda or constants given in the system of linear equation. So first we consider this example. So here first we write it matrix form as this is our matrix form of the given system of linear equation. Now consider first augmented matrix. So augmented matrix is A augment B is equal to matrix. Now first row is 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 augment. So we write first coefficient matrix 2 1 4 1 3 1 5 4 and constant matrix is 1 1 3. Okay, so we write first coefficient matrix and constant matrix as augmented matrix. Now here A11 position we solved it by Gauss-Jordan method. So first we have to find a reduced row echelon form. So here A11 is leading one, so we convert A21 position and A31 to 0 by using the row operation. For this we have to use row operation R2 minus, because these are both positive, and row operation is between R2 and R1. Here A21 is 2, so we multiply first row by 2, so that A21 will be 0. Next here to make A31 0 we have row operation R3 and R1 in between, and both are positive, so we take here minus sign, so and multiply R1 by 3. Okay, so we get first row as it is 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 augment 1. Okay, now here first row is operation is R2 minus 2 R1, or you can write directly the row operations. Here it is 2, R2 is 2 and R1 is 1, so 2 minus 2 into 1, which is 2 minus 2 is 0, so its first value is 0. Next it is 1 minus 2 into minus 1, corresponding value 1 and minus 1, so it is 1 minus minus, it will be plus, 2 into 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, so it becomes 3. Next similarly 4 minus 2 into minus 1, which is 4 minus minus plus, 2 into 1 is 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, so it will be 6. Next 1 2, R2 is 1 minus 2 into 2, which gives 1 minus 4, which is minus 3, and here it will be 1 both 1 minus 2 into 1, which is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay, so it is minus 1. So these are we get from R2 minus R1. To change row 3 we have row operation R3 minus 3 R1. For a simplification, or you also write directly steps also. Here I am giving you in simple manner. Here R3 and 3 R1. Here R3 is 3 and R1 is 1. So it will become 3 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 3 minus 3 is 0. So it will be 0. Next 1 minus 1. Here it is 1 minus 3 into minus 1, which is 1 minus of minus is plus, 3 into 1 is 3, minus minus plus it will be, so 1 plus 3 is 4, so here it will get 4. Next it is 5 and minus 1, so we write it as 5 minus 3 into minus 1, again it is 3 into minus 1 is 8, 5 plus 3 is 8, so it will be 8. Next it is 4 and 2. 4 minus 3 into 2, which is 4 minus 6, which will give minus 2. 3 to the 6. And last position is 3 and 1. 3 minus 3 into 1, which is here it is minus 3, because in question it is given minus 3. It is minus 3. Here it is minus 3 into minus 3 into it is 1. So it will be minus 3 is minus 6. So it is minus 6. Okay. Please check the signs which we have written in above matrix also. So when you are solving the matrix, please see the signs carefully. If one of the sign will change, your answer will be go through wrong side. Okay. So now here it is our leading 1. Okay. Now we have to make a leading 1 at position A22. Okay, so we have here 3. So first we have to divide throughout by 3 so that it will be a leading 1. So here R2 divided by 3, we get first row 1 minus 1 minus 1 2, as it is 1. Okay, in second row there will be changes. It will be 0 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2, minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1, and it is minus 1 upon 3. Okay, next row will be 0 4 8 minus 2 minus 6, as it is. Okay, now we get a leading 1 at A22 position, and it is at A11 position. Now we have to make a 0 below second leading 1. So we have to write the row operation. So for position A32, to make A32 0, we have row operation between R3 and R2, and both are positive, so we have to subtract this both row and multiply 4 to R2. Okay, so here R3 minus 4 R2, row operations we will write here. So our next step is here first 2 rows will be as it is. You have to change this for only row 3. So first 2 row as it is, 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 1 0 1 2 minus 1 minus 1 upon 3. Now here it is 0 minus 0, it will be 0. Here 4 minus 4 into 1, which is 4 minus 4 will be 0. Here second term is also 0. Next 8 minus 4 into 2, which is 8 minus 8 is again 0. 8 minus 8 into, okay. Next minus 2 into minus 4 into minus 1, which is minus 2 plus 4, which is 2. And RHS will be minus 6 minus 4 into minus 1 by 3. We solve it. Minus 6 minus minus plus 4 by 3, which gives 3 6 18. Okay, we have to write an LCM. So minus 18 plus 4 divided by 3, which is plus 14 divided by 3. Okay, which is 14, here minus 18 plus 4, which is minus 14. Minus 14 divided by 3. Okay, now here leading 1 is at A11 position, A22 position. At A33 it is 0, so we check to the next position, right to that 0. Here it is non-zero term, 2 is non-zero, so divide R3 by 2 so that it will be 1. So our next row operation is R3 divided by 2, so we get 1 minus 1 minus 1 2, first row, 1, second row 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1 upon 3, and third row is 0, 0, 0, 1, and here minus 14 by 3 totally divided by 2, okay, which is 2 upon 1, so it can be written as minus 14 upon 3 multiplied by 1 half. So 2 ones are and 7s are, so it will be minus 7 upon 3, okay, which is our row echelon form, one leading one and this leading one, okay, which we get a leading one at A11 position, A22 position and A34 position. Now we have to make it to reduced row echelon form. So to make reduced row echelon form, we have to make above side of leading one also 0. So here it is 1, okay, to make here 0, which is A24 position and A14 position. So we have to take a row operation between second row and third row, which is R2. Row operation will be R2, here both minus 1 plus 1, so R2 plus R1, okay, so that it will be minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. And for first row we have to make and row operation R1, here it is 2 and here it is 1, so we have to make a row operation R1 minus twice R3. So sorry, here it is R1, R2 plus R3, R2 plus R3, and for this position A14 we have to make row operation R1 minus 2 R3, okay. So we get first two rows as it is, we have changes in second row and first row. For first row it is R1 minus 2 R3, so here we have to write a matrix. So here first R1 minus 2 R3, it is 1 minus 0, so it is 1 as it is, okay. Next it is minus 1 0, it is minus 1 as it is. It is minus 1 again 0, it is minus 1 as it is. Next here 2 minus 2 into 1, okay, 2 minus 2 into 1, which is 2 minus 2, it is 0, so it is 0. And last term is 1 minus 2 into minus 7 upon 3, which is equal to, so we solve it as 1 plus 7 2s are 14 upon 3, which gives 3 into 1 is 3 plus 14 divided by 3. By taking LCM we get 17 upon 3. So here it will be 17 upon 3. Now for second row 0 as it is, 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 0 is 2, minus 1 plus 1 it is 0, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 7 by 3, okay, because row operation is R2 plus R3. So minus 1 by 3 minus 7 by 3 gives minus 8 by 3, because here denominator is same, so we write it as minus 8 by 3, okay. And last row as it is 0 0 0 1 minus 7 upon 3, okay. Now here it is our first leading one, second leading one and third leading one. Above third all elements are 0. Now to make elements above second leading one as 0, so our new row operation will be, here it is minus 1 plus 1, so we have to row operation R1 plus R2, so that minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. So here we get first row R1 plus R2, 1 plus 0 is 1, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, minus 1 we write here minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1, so it will be 1. Next it is 0 as it is. Next 17 upon 3 minus 8 upon 3, 17 upon 3 minus 8 upon 3, denominator is same, and 17 minus 8 is 9 upon 3, 3 1s are and 3 3s are 9. So we get here calculation 3. So it will be 3. Next, second row as it is 0, 1, 2, 0, minus 8 upon 3. And third row also as it is 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 7 upon 3. Okay. Now, which gives, so if we check the matrix, the leading one is only a non-zero term in that column. In first column it is leading one, it is only non-zero term. In second column A22 position is leading one and above and below elements are 0, and A34 position is leading one and its above part is 0. Okay, here column 3 does not contain a leading one, so is reduced row echelon form. Reduced row echelon form. Okay. So, and we have to write it as column 3. Column 3 not have leading 1. Leading 1. So, here we can write it as from column 3 does not have leading 1. So, we put x3 is equal to t, where t belongs to R, is any real number. Okay, we put x3 is equal to 2 because it is coefficient related to column, coefficient related to x3, so we put x3 is equal to 2. Now from third column, third row, we have x4 is equal to minus 7 upon 3. Okay, from second row we have x2 plus twice x3 is equal to minus 8 upon 3. So which implies that we can write it as x2 plus twice t, because x3 is equal to t, which is equal to minus 8 upon 3, which gives x2 is equal to minus 8 upon 3 as it is, and my plus 2t goes on right, which gives minus twice t. Okay, which is the value of x2. And from first row we get x1 is equal to 3, which is our required solution. Now here solution set is S is equal to, first x1 value is 3, okay, x2, here in first row it is x1 plus x3 is equal to 0, and x3 is equal to 3, which implies x1 plus t is equal to 3, which gives x1 is equal to 3 minus t. Okay, so our solution set is, first x1 value is 3 minus t, x2 is minus 8 upon 3 minus 2t, x3 is t, and x4 is minus 7 upon 3, where t belongs to R. Okay, which is, that is, system has infinitely many solutions. Okay, which is our required solution. Okay, now the next example is, find the value of k. Does the following system have no solution, infinitely many solution, and unique solution? And we have given the system 4x1 plus x2 plus k square minus 14 into x3 is equal to k plus 2, x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 is equal to 4, 3x1 minus x2 plus 5x3 is equal to 2. Okay, so here first we write the given system in matrix form. So matrix form is of the given system 4, 1, k square minus 14, 1 2 minus 3 3 minus 1 5, variable matrix and constant matrix. Now consider the argument matrix. A argument B is equal to matrix 4 1 k square minus 14. Argument here, second row is 1 2 minus 3 3 minus 1 5 k plus 2 4 2. Okay, which is our argument form. So in this example, A21 position is 1 and here it is 4. Below A11 there is, we have a 1, so interchanging R2 1, or we write it as R2 and R1. So we can write it as, we get first row 1 2 minus 3 4, second row as 4 1 k square minus 14 k plus 2, and third row as it is 3 minus 1 5 2. Okay, so here we get a first leading one. Next, to make here 0 below leading ones, we have row operation R2 minus 4R1, and to make here A310, we have row operation R3 minus 3R1. Okay, so we get first row as it is 1 2 minus 3 4. Okay, in second row there are changes. For R2 minus 4R1, we have row operation R2 minus 4R1. We get first R2 is 4 and R1 is that time 1, which is 4 minus 4 into 1, which is 4 minus 4 is 0. So its first value is 0. Next, it is 1 minus 4 into 2, which is 1 minus 8, which is minus 7. So it is minus 7. Next, it is k square minus 14 minus 4 into minus 3, which is k square minus 14 minus plus 4 3s are 12, which is equal to k square minus 2. Okay, so here it is k square minus 2. Okay, next it is k plus 2 and minus 4 into 4, which is k plus 2 minus 16, which is equal to k minus 14. Now here it is k minus 14. Okay, last row 3, we have row operation as R3 minus 3R1. Okay, which is our row operation for third row. So here 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 into 1, which is 3 minus 3 is 0. Next it is minus 1 minus 3 into 2. Okay, minus 1 minus 3 into 2, which is minus 1 minus 6, which is minus 7. So it is again minus 7. Next, 5 minus 3 into, it is minus 3, which is 5 plus 9, which is equal to 14. Here it is 14. And last time is 2 minus 3 into 4, which is 2 minus 12, which is equal to minus 10. So it is minus 10. Okay, so we get a matrix with leading one at A11 and below it's 0. Now we interchange second and third row so that this constant which we have to find will be go to last row. So we interchange R3 with R2. So we get a matrix 1 2 minus 3 4, first row as it is, second row is 0, minus 7, 14, minus 10, and third row 0, minus 7, k square minus 2, and k minus 14. Okay, now we have to make, here it is non-zero term, so we make leading one by dividing R2 by minus 7. So divide R2 upon minus 1, and in that time also you can add R3 plus R2, so that, sorry, R3 minus R2, because minus 7 will be 0. So we get a step as first row as it is 1, 2, minus 3 as it is first row, and 4. In second row it is 0, minus 7 divided by 7 is 1, 14 divided by minus 7 is minus 2, minus 10 divided by minus 7 is 10 upon 7. Okay, and in last row 0, minus 7 plus minus 7, minus of minus 7, because we are using R3 minus R2 row operation. Okay, so minus 7 plus 7 is 0, so it is 0. Next, k square minus 2 minus 14, which gives k square minus 16, k square minus 16, and here it is k minus 14 minus of minus 10, which gives k minus 14 plus 10, which is equal to k minus 4, k minus 4. Okay, which is our important step. So it is leading one, here it is leading one. Okay, which is in the, here k square minus 16 can be written as k minus 4 into k plus 4. Okay, which is important step for us. Now here we have given a question that we have to find the value of k for no solution, infinitely many solution, and unique solution. Now we have an matrix, it is k square minus 16, k minus 4. We have to find the values of k such that it has no solution, unique solution, and infinitely many solutions. Here it is k square minus 16, which gives k minus 4 and k plus 4. Now to find it is no solution or unique solution or infinitely many solution, we have to know the values of k. If we consider k square minus 16 is equal to 0, k square minus 16 equal to 0, we have two values, which implies that k is equal to plus 4 or minus 4. Okay, that is, this position will be 0, okay, for values 4 and minus 4. Okay, now from this we get two solutions. One of it is no solution and other is infinitely many solution, because if k square minus 16 is 0, then we have only two leading ones. Okay, and we have to check the right side, k minus 4 value. If it is 0, then it will be infinitely many solution. If k minus 4, after putting k, if it is non-zero, then it will be no solution. In that, we consider a case first for k is equal to 4. We have above matrix as we write it as equation star. Therefore equation star gives matrix 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 0, 1, minus 2, 10 upon 7, and 0, 0. We put k is equal to 4, so 16 minus 16 is 0, and 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, for k is equal to 4, its total row will be 0. So that here column 3, here left side and right side, all of this matrix is 0 of last row. So it is system has infinitely many solution. Okay, so for k is equal to 4, therefore from above matrix above matrix, which is row echelon form. Row echelon form. We say that for k is equal to 4, system has infinitely many solution. Okay, if we have to find the infinitely many solution, from here we put x3 is equal to t, because t belongs to R. Since column number 3 do not have leading 1, okay, so we put x3 is equal to t. From second row we can write x2 minus 2x3 is equal to 10 upon 7. So put x3 is equal to t, therefore x2 minus twice t is equal to 10 upon 7, which gives x2 is equal to 10 upon 7 plus 2t, which is our second solution of the system. And from first row we have x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 is equal to 4. Now we put the values of x2 and x3, which is x1 plus 2 into x2 is 10 upon 7 plus 2t minus 3 into t is equal to 4. So we get x1 plus 20 upon 7 plus 4t minus 3t is equal to 4. So we get x1 is equal to, here it calculation 4t minus 3t is t, and we put remaining terms to the right side, 4 minus 20 upon 7, and this plus t goes on left will be minus t. So x1 is equal to 7 4s are 28. Take LCM, we have to multiply 7 on numerator and denominator. So 7 4s are 28 minus 20 is 8 upon 7 minus t, which is our x1. Okay. If in a question it is asked find infinitely many solutions, infinitely many values solution, then only you have to find the solution of the system. Okay. In this question it is not given. If you not solve this, only you write for k is equal to 4, system has infinitely many solution, it is okay for exam. Okay. For understanding purpose you can write it as, or you can solve the system. Okay, after putting k is equal to. Okay, now this is value of k is equal to 4, system has infinitely many solution. Okay, now for case second, our equation star we write from above, it is 1 2 minus 3 argument 4, 0 1 minus 2 10 upon 7, 0 0 k square minus 16 and k minus 4. Okay, as we consider in case first k is equal to 4. Okay, we consider k is equal to 4. Now we take here k is equal to minus 4, because we have two values, k is equal to 4 and k is equal to minus 4. So for 4 it has infinitely many solution. Now we have to check for minus 4. Now for minus 4, equation star becomes, here equation number star, which means this equation becomes, here 0 0, it will be 0 because minus 4 square is 16, minus 16 is 0, and minus 4 minus 4, which is 8. Okay, that is we have a system 1 2 minus 3 4, first row, second row 0 1 minus 2 10 upon 7, and third row 0 0 0 minus 4 is minus 8. Now in this, if we consider third row, here LHS will be x1 0x1 plus 0x2 plus 0x3 is equal to minus 8. Okay, right side. Now here it is 0 is equal to minus 8, which is not possible. Okay, which is contradiction. That is, for we have considered k is equal to minus 4 has no solution. For k is equal to minus 4, system has no solution. Okay, and for case 3, in that, in equation star, if k square minus 16 is not equal to 0, that is k is not equal to minus 4 and 4. Okay, if it is k square minus 16 is non-zero, then we can make it leading 1. Okay, by dividing then that number which we have obtaining by putting value of k. There are many values of k which will be not equal to other than minus 4 and 4. Okay, now for k square minus 16 not equal to 0, that is k is equal to minus 4 comma 4, the system has a unique solution. We don't here to find the solution, unique solution. Only we have to write condition that k square minus 16 not equal to 0. Therefore, system have unique solution. Okay, which is our required solution. Or k square is equal to, we have write k is not equal to minus 4 and k is equal to 4. Okay, which was given in our question. We have find the values of k for unique solution, no solution and infinitely many solution. Okay, so we stop here. Please see the examples related to Gauss elimination method, Gauss-Jordan method. In this we have first find row echelon form, reduced row echelon form, and after that obtaining matrix in these two, row echelon form and reduced row echelon form, we have finding the solution of the system. Okay, now in next lectures we will see the next method, LU factorization and homogeneous system of linear equation. Okay, till then, thank you.